we are on our way to the auto show. I'm with my family. I'll show you. They are behind me. So once we get up to the top, I'll be showing you what we're seeing at this year's auto show. We're just gonna see what we see today. And let's start with Kia. Here's Kia, so maybe let's look at some cars over here. This is a Hyundai Santa Fe. Our parents already have one of these.
For reverse, neutral, drive, and park. You push buttons for that. And then this is for comfort, sport, smart, snow, and lock. So, interesting. Feel like I can make some delivery. Who needs to move? I got you. Look at the dash screen. It's humongous. You could probably watch a movie on that. Like, okay, you should not watch movies while you're driving, but I'm saying this screen is nice enough to do it. Just saying. And then the center console is humongous as well. Oh. And then in the back, you got these seats back here.
Oh, looks different.
Yes.
Four mobile power cords or four connected charging stations. For many electric vehicles,
future. We'll see how interest rates and things go, but this is a good opportunity to like get in the cars, see how you feel about the cars. So I had an opportunity to look at a number of cars that I was thinking about, and now I see that some cars I did not like quite so much. My sister, she is getting ready to look at the, what is it, Buicks and Lincolns? Yes. So we're gonna take a look at the Buicks and Lincolns, and then I'm gonna close this vlog out because we're kind of tired and we want to leave. So, yeah. So let's look at these and then we'll go. Alright, so we're done at the auto show, so we're getting ready to leave. So I'm going to close this video out here, and until next time, see you later. Bye. Bye. Waving with a tissue. Bye.
Gather family, how y'all doing today? In today's video, we're going to be changing the door of my chicken coop, or my automatic chicken door. I'm going to be adding a new one because they broke their old one, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, they snapped this one in half. Like, they like to run out before the door automatically opens, so it's just like, whatever. I had to buy a new one, so I got this probably for like 14 bucks off of Amazon. It comes up with the sun, so I'm just going to take all the batteries and put them in here, take the screws, put them in there. It's just a simple fix. This one is trash, or I could try to fix it or save it as a backup just in case. I don't know. But this right here is just like, but before I even change this, let me just show you around, show you my chickens, and yeah. Talk about this painted wall back here that the chickens did. If you are thinking about getting chickens, or if you want chickens or you have chickens, you will understand this part, but you'll want to understand this part that I have this plastic up because chickens like to poop, and they poop get it everywhere. And so I make sure I cover their back wall so it won't be too messy or anything like that with this plastic, which is pretty cool. But I'm not using any sand anymore. I am using hay or straw. This absorbs the smells, and it also helps me out with composting better. Like, I can just throw this whole thing in my compost bin. It's easy to pick up because it sticks to the straw. And yeah, and I can show you the compost bin that I did. But very simple. I just add another layer, so I change this almost every 6 months, and I can actually breathe better in here because it's not so dusty due to the sand that I had in here. But I also have new chickens that I hatched myself. These right here are my new babies. They are amazing. They're mixed with the bantams. The bantams are the black ones over there. And I have one rooster, so the rooster helped me, help the hens produce these wonderful baby chicks. Well, they're not even babies anymore. They like teenagers, I guess. But they're very playful around me because I guess I was the first face to see when they hatched, and now they, you know, they love me. They can't get enough of me. But where these suckers are, y'all irritating, but I love y'all at the same time. This bunch right here, these bats right here are very aggressive when it comes to food. But other than that, they just chill, stay to themselves, and be normal. Got some down there. Yeah. Do not have my turkeys no more because I processed them and, you know, sold them. That turned out very well. Did a good job with them. The only thing I would say about having turkeys is make sure you get them at an appropriate time so they won't get too big. I got my turkeys this year of February, and I had them in November. So it is what it is. But enough of me babbling about my farm. Oh, I need to start normalizing just saying my farm name, which is AB Seekers Farm. So I'm gonna start saying that more and more in my videos. So enough about AB Seekers Farm. Let's get to the chicken door. All I'm doing is taking out these screws right here, switching it, and going from there. So simply just gonna put my bit inside here. Back in business, I think. Nah, I know. Get that in. All right. Add the batteries. Let's see what kind of batteries do I need. I should have did that first. Double A, cool. Oh wait, it does the same thing. All right. To see if it worked, I just put my hand over the sensor. Let's see. I make sure it is on properly. Oh snap! Is it a switch on set? It is, so I gotta make sure. All right, so it's working. Boom. I made sure that switch was inside. All right. Let's see what happens when I put my hand over it. All right, it's closing. Coolio. No. I have a chicken door. And it's gonna rise back up now because of the sunlight. And it's fixed. Now we have a working chicken door. Just gather family. That's all I was doing, changing that chicken door. Little chores to do around the farm, but hey, it's something, and I hope y'all enjoy this content just to see my chickens and me changing the door. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it with this video. Peace.